Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to insert SIM card on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, a SIM card allows your device to connect to a cellular network, enabling phone calls, text message, and mobile data usage. Without a SIM card, your device might be limited to Wi-Fi only functionalities. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Firstly, locate the SIM card tray at the bottom of the phone. Okay, after that, take the SIM ejector tool that came with your phone or use a small paper clip. Okay, next, insert the SIM ejector tool into the small hole on the SIM card tray and apply gentle pressure to eject the tray. Okay, once the SIM card tray is ejected, carefully remove it from the phone. Okay, and place your SIM card into the appropriate slot on the SIM card tray. Okay, insert the SIM card tray back into the phone, ensuring it aligns properly with the slot. Gently push the tray back into the phone until it is securely in place. Okay, now your device should recognize the SIM card and you should be able to use it for calls, messages, and data. Well, that's the tutorial on how to insert SIM card on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.